Importance of planning. Planning is of vital importance because it is pervasive and precedes all other functions of management. Sound planning is an essential condition for effective management. Poor planning has often been a cause of failure in business. Sound planning offers the following advantages. Number one, focuses attention on objectives. Planning makes the goals clear and specific. Planning focuses managerial attention on the purposes for which various activities are to be undertaken. The objectives so decided serves as a guide for deciding what actions should be taken. Planning helps in achieving the objectives of the organization. Number two, makes activities meaningful. When goals are clearly defined, actions become meaningful. Managers and employees understand the importance of their activities and relationship between different activities. Everyone becomes conscious of his own contribution towards achievement of organizational goals. Number three, brings order in place of chaos. Planning helps the organization to keep on the right path. Planning ensures clarity in thoughts and action. It avoids aimless and ad hoc actions. Planning provides systematic and orderly efforts towards the goals. Number four, reduces risk of uncertainty. Business enterprises operate in an uncertain environment and face several types of risks. Planning enables these enterprises to predict future and prepare to face the unexpected events. In the process of planning, managers look ahead, anticipate change, consider the impact of change, and develop appropriate responses. Number five, improves economy of operations. Planning involves selection of the best possible course of action. It helps to eliminate all types of waste and to achieve optimum utilization of available resources. Planned action is always better than unplanned action. Planning helps to minimize the cost and improves the competitive strength of an enterprise. Number six, provides basis for control. Planning provides the standards against which the actual performance can be measured and evaluated. A comparison of performance helps to identify the deviations and to take corrective steps to make the events conform to plans. Planning makes control meaningful and effective. Number seven, promotes innovation and creativity. Sound planning encourages creative thinking. Managers get the opportunity to develop new ideas and apply these ideas in creating new products. This leads to growth and expansion of business. Number eight, facilitates decision making. Decision making involves searching for various alternative courses of action, evaluating them, and selecting the best course of action. Under planning, targets are laid down. With the help of these targets, managers can evaluate alternative courses of action and select the best alternative. As a result, hasty decisions and random actions can be avoided. Number nine, helps in coordination. Planned targets and programs serves as the basis of harmonizing the efforts of different departments, sections, and individuals. Cooperation and coordination between departments become easy because people at all levels are involved in planning. Without planning, different departments may be working at cross purposes. Number 10, bridges the gap between present and future. Planning bridges the gap between where we are, that is present position, and where we want to go, that is future position.